We are pleased to show you the 2019 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.